I'm working on the power supply to an old Necky sewing machine, and it has a Mercury electric foot pedal on it. And I just want to take a second to show you, I'm replacing the feet on this, and I'm just using some little rubber feet that I have right here. I'll try to find these and link them in the description. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to. And then I just took a little pop rivet, little 1/8 inch pop rivet, and I had to actually file it down. I took a sander and put it in my drill and just buzzed it just a little bit, and then it seated down in there like that. So yeah, these are going to work perfect. Now to get these out, you could just take a pair of pliers and just grab the old ones and just gently pull, and they pop right out. Not much to it. Just like that. Now I'm going to use a pop rivet gun. And you know, if you don't have all this, you could just use a little, well actually you can't. I was going to say you could use a little nut and bolt, but the problem is if it sticks up on this side, you're not going to be able to slide this back on. So you got that issue. Alright, so we're going to just stick that up on there like that. And there we go. You can see it just popped on there perfectly. One little foot, and we'll do the other 4. Alright, now I got new feet on it. I just slide it back on. Just like that. And we're ready to go. Alright, well, I hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.